How to fix the always on display lock screen. Always shows a black background and no wallpaper on the iPhone 16 series. So here you can see when I lock it, my always on display always has a black background. It's supposed to have this wallpaper, but it's not showing. So here's how you can fix it. First, let's return back to your home screen. Then tap on settings. In settings, go back to the main settings page, and then we scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Then we scroll down and tap on always on display. Next, go to the customize section and make sure you turn on show wallpaper. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now proceed to press on the side button to lock the phone. And this time you can see on the always on display, it will show a background wallpaper instead of a black background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.